Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams and I'd like to welcome you to my channel, YouTube Success Strategies. And this is where I teach you what I've learned in 10 years on YouTube. And so what I'm talking about today is starting a YouTube channel in 2021. Is it too late for you? The answer is no. This is a perfect time to jump on the bandwagon and create your channel. And the reasons why you can create a channel is that you can express yourself, you can share your hobbies, your interests. If you're a business owner, you can create content for your clients, you can create content that's advertising. The sky's the limit. There's so much you can do on YouTube. And the evidence is in when you use video, it's more convincing and more likely to attract people to you because they get to see you, they get to connect with you. Now, here's one of the things that keeps people from starting a YouTube channel is they think, oh, everybody's already doing it. My idea's already been taken. But that's not true. Your idea is still your idea. So it doesn't matter if there's lots of people in your niche, your industry, you have your own perspective. There's always room for another perspective, and that's yours. So you just have to jump in and do it. Now, here's the other thing about YouTube is people want to make sure it's all perfect and doing all the right things. But here, what I learned from another YouTuber is that just start making videos, because the first few videos are going to be really awkward and you won't be very comfortable. But that's okay because you're learning. Learning how to do YouTube is just like any other skill. There's lots of things that we have to do to make YouTube work for us. Number one is filming. So that's where I would start. Start with just starting to create some camera work. Now, when I first started YouTube, we didn't have the great lighting that you could find. You didn't have high definition cameras. So now all these things are available with your cell phone. And the lighting is easy to be had. Ring lights are great. I'm using one myself. That's really all you need. Good lighting, good camera, something nice behind you, you're good. So you just have to start practicing. So I'm a vocal coach. That's where I started. The practice comes in the doing. So just getting started with YouTube, you'll learn as you go along. And if you're interested in my very early videos on my Vocal Splendor Studios page, YouTube, go watch them. That was my very first. I didn't know what I was doing, but I just left it there and you can still see it yourself. So here's the deal. YouTube for you in 2021 is right. So just get started. Just jump on the bandwagon, start making videos, and you'll get better as you go along. All right, so if there's anything else that you'd like me to know, please let me know in the comments below. I'm very open to making videos on everything that comes with YouTube. There's so many pieces of the puzzle, and that's what makes YouTube a little challenging because there's lots of skills that we need to manage to really succeed, and I want to help you succeed. So if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions on videos, please leave it in the comments below. All right, I look forward to seeing your new channels.